Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today is hangover day. I am incredibly hungover. I don't even know why I'm riding today. No, I know why. Show must go on. I'm not gonna let you fuckers down. Despite being hungover, we're gonna push through the day. Right now I'm on my way to meet up with an old friend, someone that you guys will definitely remember, man. We've ridden to countless places. He's a good friend, man. I'm excited to ride with him once again. I'm excited to get him back on video, and I'm excited to take you to this very special spot that we're going to today. Stick with me. We'll get into that in a little bit. Right now, let's go meet our buddy.
Literally all I want to do is go back to bed, drink a lot of water, maybe some Gatorade. But I can't even eat. I don't know how we're gonna make this video today.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am hungover.
Yeah. I have a first sticker for you nearby.
Oh, yeah. Mr. Tango. Where would you like it?
That's your choice, brother.
It's a good spot. But I'd like to kind of create a theme. Remember how we did like best breakfast burrito, best meatball sandwich? With you, I wanted to do pizza and like find Orange County's best pizza. Because we've just developed this idea, I have no idea where to go. I mean, I'm not like a artisan type pizza eater guy. I mean, my favorite pizza, you're gonna smack me, is Little Caesars.
I know this about you.
Yeah.
We're not doing Caesars, Little Caesars. No, that's fine. We should do Little Caesars, but you can't sit down on Little Caesars.
The problem is, everybody that watches these videos is gonna hate me for Little Caesars. You know what? I kind of don't care. But we can't do that today because I had Little Caesars yesterday.
This place opens at 11:45.
Apizza Doho?
Yep.
Let's ride somewhere to get something to drink.
Do you need to go see Bob?
I don't really want to see Bob.
Okay. Fuck Bob. Fuck Bob. Fuck Bob. Fuck Bob. Fuck Bob.
I'll muscle it out a little bit. Let's go to the ocean. We'll find something on the coast. I'm going to follow you, sir. All right. Well, we decided on a place. First, we were going to go do carne asada burritos. I really kind of wanted to do that. But then thinking about it, Adam might not be the right person for carne asada burritos. He is the right person for pizza. That's all he ever wants to eat when we're together. That and Baja fish tacos. So we're going to bring you a new series. We're going to find Orange County's best pizza. There's a lot of pizza places in Orange County. We're going to try to do this series in like 5 videos, I think. And the first place we're going to is Apizza Doho in Dana Point. I think it's on the ocean. PCH anyway. These guys are going to run that light, man. Good old Cook's Corner. All right. It's a cool road, man. It's all good until you come up on traffic. It's hard to pass the cars. And then you'll notice all the flowers and crosses all over the place. It's sad, man. People die all over this road. I've already seen 2 memorials. And I know they're only up for a little while. Otherwise, there'd just be a memorial on every turn. Man, you know what? It's kind of morbid to think how many people have died on this road. It's a stupid road to die on, too. It's like not that interesting. There's a cross there. What is that, 4 memorials? A lot of new stuff out there for motovloggers these days. I'm still using shit from like 2016. I guess DJI has a setup people are using. I don't know. I don't know what else is out there, man. GoPro 11? Captain Man's got one of those. I don't know if he's got a microphone or how a microphone even plugs into that thing. Or even if it does. Do you even need an adapter like you do on this one? This one, the 8, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Let me know in the comments below what setup I should be running. And then from there we'll figure out if I can even afford it. I'm broke these days. I don't have any money. Later, Bob. I'm not really feeling like wheeling, man. quite rusty, and I'm still hungover. Let's go back to talking about these motovlogs, man. Who's out there now? Is there anyone I should be watching? Anyone that I should know about that I don't know about? Most of the people that I used to ride with, they don't even ride anymore, let alone make videos. I talked to Hammy Moto the other day. He's doing a bunch of e-bike stuff. That seems to be pretty popular. Let's see if Tango can beat me to the white line, man. Guy's a fast rider. To the other side of the intersection? Oh, caught me off guard. Yeah, anyone you think I should be watching on YouTube these days? Maybe someone that can inspire me. I don't mind stealing an idea or six. Keep you guys entertained, keep myself entertained too. Keeping it fresh. Let me know in the comment section below. Who should I be watching? Everybody bikes in Orange County. Look at that, a hubcap. Well, that's fun. You lost the hubcap, dude. Alright, I want a rematch. Tango's pretty fast, man. I don't think I'm gonna beat him, but I'm gonna try. I think he let me win, unfortunately. I know he did. You let me win. You know who's still out there kicking ass? Shade Tree Surgeon. Man, that guy's got quite the army these days. Dude, he's living the dream. That is for sure, man. That guy, he puts so much effort into his videos. And if you haven't heard of him, you're living under a rock, man, because that guy is soaring. Look at this dude. He lost more than a hubcap. That guy lost a whole wheel. Hubcaps and wheels today. And a tire. There's a fucking tire laying in the grass. Oh man. It's a good day for a tire shop. Apizza Doho. Should we do the pass cam thing? Let's do it. San Clemente. Look at this dude. Yeah, that guy's having fun. This dude too. What do you think of the new vet? I don't know if I'm into it. The Kleb bought a vet. I think his is pretty cool. Klebby. I haven't seen that dude in a couple of years, man. But my brother, where is he? He's got to come back. I hope he didn't grow up. That guy kept me young. What? A ticket? A fine and dandy statue it is. Semper Fi Park.
The Semper Fidelis is always fabled. Most Marines have a hard time, so they shortened it to Semper Fi.
San Clemente, man. What a cool little spot. Well, I ran that light right in front of the cops. There's a little spot right here called the Rib Joint. A band's played there. What a good time, man. There it is, Apizza Doho.
It's almost like the motorcycle park.
Looks like it to me.
So it is going to be East Coast style pizza, specifically New Haven, Connecticut style, and then New York. Kind of those two, I like to say those two dope cities. Like the little love story that they had an affair on a tropical day in the Bahamas. They had a baby. That baby is going to be us. It's going to be crispy, a little cherry underneath and on the sides, and then thinner as well. Really great opportunity here. There's going to be specialties, or you can build your own. It's going to be 15 inches, about 8 good-sized slices. A few of the most popular ones as well, I must mention, are the highway one in the middle, more of a meat lover supreme, pepperoni, sausage, onions, peppers, mushrooms. My favorite though is the stingray. Second one from the bottom. It's going to be pepperoni, sweet onions, jalapenos, and then citrus honey. So it's like a good spicy, sweet combination. Really great sausage here. There's going to be 15 inches, good sized mushroom in the middle. As well, I must mention the white sauce, sweet underneath. That mushroom lover supreme, going to be us. That sweet going to be us. That baby, going to be us.
All right, Tango. Apizza Doho.
Pizza Doho.
It wasn't the place you were thinking of,
It's not.
but what'd you think?
It was excellent.
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 You'd come back.
In a heartbeat.
Yeah. This might be one of the better pizzas I've had.
Yeah. No, it was really good. Our waiter Ryan was super informative, super cool dude. So yeah, but the pizza was excellent. I liked it a lot.
If I come back, I'm definitely asking for Ryan.
Yeah, for sure.
That guy was good, but sadly he's moving.
Moving, Oklahoma.
Oklahoma.
Be Oklahoma sooner. You and I have eaten a few pizza places together, and I would say right off the bat, this is setting a new bar.
Yep. Well, we got a few more to try before we decide what the best one was, but this is going to be a pretty tough model to base our pizzas from.
Yep, 100%.
I'm hoping that we're going to find some better pizza just because I like pizza, but I don't know. This one's going to be tough. Everything on the table. We got the original pizza with half pepperoni, half sausage. $22. It's kind of expensive, but kind of not. I mean, we're right by the ocean. I mean, it was good. It was good. I don't regret it at all.
I've had bad pizza for more expensive, so it was well worth it for me.
I mean, a $5 Little Caesar job, you know, but no, I'm kidding. I'd take this over Little Caesars any day of the week. They got a little lunch special you can get any day, I believe, and it was what? You get a salad or soup.
That's what you were going to get, but we decided just to split
Yeah,
the pizza, so.
I'm glad we did it that way. Fuck salad.
Fuck salad.
All right, well, that's it. We'll end it. Until the next pizza adventure.
Good sized mushroom in the middle. As well, I must mention the white sauce, sweet underneath. That mushroom lover supreme, going to be us. That sweet going to be us. That baby, going to be us.